Hi guys and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video what I have done for today. So please note this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, so let's talk about the trade what I was able to execute today as per the chart formation what we have. Okay, so today I have traded on short sell side on this particular chart setup what you're seeing. Okay, so now let me explain you a bit of a logic how the price has performed for today and how it has given the momentum after we have entered to today's particular trade. Okay, so anyways, this video is only for educational purpose, and also I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience, and if you guys are interested to learn from me, you can contact on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen for more educational details and more educational skills and knowledge. Okay, so now let's talk about the trade what I've executed for today. So today was a short sell trade what I have done according to this particular chart setup. So as you guys can see, this is where the price had opened for today, and after the price had opened for today, we can see it was gradually coming down, and this was a support level for today which we had. Okay, even on the previous day, if you guys can see on this range, we can see the support was taken and the price has gone up. So today also, yes, this price was an important support level. So I thought if the support is taken, then we can go for a buying side. But we can see after the support is taken, yes, it did go a bit of a upper side, but it didn't break the initial high point of today's range bound momentum. Okay, so if it would have given a breakout on today's initial high range momentum, then it could be a buy trade and the price would have gone up maybe. But we can see here this level acted as a resistance level again, and this support level couldn't hold strong for a day, even though the market was also coming down for today. Okay, so that's why I was waiting for it, and I had taken the short sell entry, and we can see in bit of a time it had gone up, but I had kept the stop loss here, and it again reversed back, and it has given a breakout on this particular range, and we can see a huge downside momentum what it has happened. Okay, so almost 1% plus momentum has happened here, if you guys can see. So I followed my strategy and I stick to my discipline, and I kept almost like 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward ratio in this particular trade, and the target was achieved. Okay, so even throughout the day, if you see, the price was towards the downside, and it has closed on the downside for today. So this is how the price has performed in this particular chart setup for today, and this is how I've analyzed today's trade. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have traded without any indicators here. So if you guys are interested to learn from me and want to learn how to analyze that chart like this, you can contact on the number displayed on the screen for more educational details. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.